In this video, I'll drive you through creating your own YouTube channel using either your iPhone or Android device. Before we continue, if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and giving it a thumbs up. In recent times, many people have created a YouTube channel because it allows them to share their passions, expertise, and creativity with a global audience while potentially building a community and earning revenue through ads and sponsorships. If you want to do the same, just follow this simple process. First, open the YouTube app and tap on your profile picture in the corner. Select Sign In if you're not already logged in. Under Accounts, tap the plus button to begin creating your channel. Keep in mind that YouTube accounts are linked to gmail.com email addresses. If you use Gmail, sign in here. Otherwise, tap Create Account at the bottom to set up a new account for your YouTube channel. Enter your details such as your name and birthday and create a password. Review your account information. Tap Next. Agree to the terms, and your account will be created. Once your account is set up, tap your profile picture again. Tap Create Channel. Here, you can add your name and profile picture to personalize your channel. And wait a moment for your channel to be fully set up. To further customize your channel, click the pencil icon to edit your profile picture and channel banner. Now, it's crucial to secure your account against hacking. Tap your profile picture. Then select Manage your Google account. Navigate to Security and set up additional security measures, such as a backup email and phone number, and enable two-step authentication. These steps are essential to protect your channel from unauthorized access and potential loss. That's it for the day. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips. In addition, make sure to visit MediaMagnetGuide.com for a wide range of tutorials and resources on various topics.